Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to connect Quickpages with ConvertKit using Zapier. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the free trial link in the description below. First, log in to your Zapier account and click Create Zap. This is where we'll connect Quickpages with ConvertKit. Start by selecting Quickpages as the trigger app. Choose your trigger event like New Form Submission, then click Continue. Sign in to your Quickpages account and allow Zapier access. Next, select ConvertKit as the Action app. Choose an action, such as Add Subscriber to Form or Sequence, and click Continue. Now connect your ConvertKit account by entering your API key. You can get this by logging into ConvertKit, going to Settings, then Advanced, then Developer Settings, and copying the key. Paste it into Zapier and click Yes, Connect. After connecting, map the data from Quickpages to ConvertKit. For example, email addresses and names from your Quickpages form fields. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything works correctly. Then click Publish Zap. Now, every time someone fills out your Quickpages form, they'll automatically be added to your ConvertKit list. And that's it! Your Quickpages and ConvertKit accounts are now seamlessly integrated via Zapier. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!